In this video, let us convert this assembly instruction to the machine instruction. What is given is the, let us convert from machine instruction to assembly instruction. What is given is a machine instruction. You are supposed to convert it into the assembly instruction. Okay. First work is to check, is there any prefixes? It has got a prefix 26. And all of you know that 26 is the prefix for having a segment overriding with ES, right? So here, whenever there is a memory operation, right, that will be overridden. The segment is overridden. It's called segment overriding. Okay. So in the instruction, we need to put this segment overriding. Okay. Then you have this 16-bit instruction value. So let us convert it into equivalent assembly instruction. Okay, as usual, write the binary equivalent 1000, then 9 is 1001, then 0000 corresponding to this, then 40100. Right? Now, as usual, we will now get the opcode 10010 opcode. Definitely it is going to be your move instruction. Okay. Now you see here, your D bit is 0. Your D bit is 0. D bit is 0 means data is coming from the register. Okay. Your data is coming from the register. Okay. Now you see data is coming from the register. That means you don't get any register value here. Okay. Coming from the register means the next will be your register. That is, your source is the register. Your source is the register. Okay. Now W bit is 1. That means this register, okay, whatever you are putting here is supposed to be a 16-bit register. Okay. Now which register? That will get it from the register bit. This is going to be your REG bit. And definitely you know for 000 from the table you have, for 000 it is going to be your AX. Right? Now it is 16-bit. It is AX. There is no violation there. Definitely it won't be AX. Okay. Now you see here, definitely this is going to be your AX register. AX register. Now you have to fill this. So how to fill this? Using your mode bit. Using your mode bit and using your R by M bit. Okay. Using this mode bit and using this R by M bit, we'll try to fill this. Okay. Now, absolutely, this we are doing it for 16-bit operation, 16-bit mode of operation, and absolutely no violation is happening there. Okay. That means we should refer to 16-bit address only. Right. Now, 16-bit mode of operation, you refer to this table, right? Refer to this table. Now, corresponding to mode bit 00 and R by M 100. Okay. See, mode bit 00, R by M is 100. See here. Right? Mode bit is 0, R by M is 100. It is corresponding to SI. So, what is going to come here? Okay. What is going to come here is SI. Okay. Is this over? Is this over? No, there is a segment overriding. Okay, that means along with this memory, you have a ES colon to be written in this. This ES colon you have to write because of this prefix you have. So your final instruction will be move ES colon SI comma AX. That's all. This is the answer.